Ever dreamed of raising a glass of beer in a historic tavern, exploring enchanting castles that seem straight out of a storybook, or marveling at the architectural wonders of modern Germany? Well, Germany offers a feast for the senses, from its rich history and delicious food to its stunning landscapes and vibrant cities. So, pack your bags and your sense of adventure, because today we're uncovering the top places to visit in this captivating European nation. Berlin, Germany's vibrant capital, is a city where history and modern life collide. Explore the remnants of the Berlin Wall, stand in awe of the Brandenburg Gate, and immerse yourself in the city's thriving art scene and pulsating nightlife. The Rhine Valley. Step back in time with a visit to the enchanting Rhine Valley. Cruise along the majestic Rhine River, explore charming villages nestled amongst vineyards, and be captivated by the majestic castles guarding the valley like watchful giants. Munich, the heart of Bavaria, is a city that knows how to celebrate. Raise a glass of beer in a traditional beer hall, explore the bustling Marienplatz Square, or delve into the city's rich art and culture scene. The Black Forest, a nature lover's paradise. Hike through the lush forests of the Black Forest, a fairy tale landscape known for its charming villages, cuckoo clocks, and delicious Black Forest cake. Neuschwanstein Castle, a king's dream come true. Step into a real-life fairy tale at Neuschwanstein Castle, a breathtaking 19th century marvel that inspired Disney's Sleeping Beauty castle. Hamburg, a maritime metropolis with a Hanseatic charm. Explore Hamburg, a vibrant port city with a rich maritime history. Take a boat tour through the harbor, visit the iconic Speicherstadt warehouse district, and savor fresh seafood at the bustling fish market. Dresden Baroque beauty reborn. Immerse yourself in the Baroque splendor of Dresden, a city that has risen from the ashes of World War II to showcase its stunning architecture and vibrant cultural scene. This is just a taste of what Germany has to offer. Let me know in the comments below which German adventure sparks your interest the most.